Hey
Hey
guys,
guys, well,
Enderman Boss here.
and Dylan Uchiha,
Welcome back to a new video where today we are gonna do a try not to laugh challenge, funny
and
fails compilation, 2017 Life Awesome.
and also guys, one thing, both of our hair is wet.
Came out of the pool.
Yeah, we came out of the pool. You know, summer. My name is Summer.
Do you guys hear the cricket? If you guys do, then you can tell us on the comments if you want a shout out. Alright?
Yep, and guys, if you want a Dylan Uchiha shout out, then you can become one of.
Yeah.
You can become one of.
And one day we're gonna get our merch out.
Yeah. You'll see the Dylan Uchiha merch.
And
Merch in the back.
One Enderman holding two swords.
Damn.
Two diamond swords.
Good. Yeah, but guys.
Like enchanted swords, actually. So let's get into it because we don't want to bore you guys.
Yeah. Yeah. What can you do?
Oh, and guys, just to be clear, first one who laughs 3 times, well,
loses.
you guys are gonna look. You guys are gonna look what's gonna happen.
Yep, guys.
So guess what they're gonna do?
What?
Dylan, if one of us loses, all right?
Yeah.
We got to tickle ourselves. Well, the person got to tickle you. My tickle hurts a lot. So let's get started.
Yeah, guys. I know you guys can't see it right now. Dude, why you always put me like that?
Shush. Oh, geez.
Damn, sir, are you okay?
Oh, crap.
Shrek.
Oh.
Dad?
That's your boy.
Okay, yeah, we're both starting to smile.
It's gonna break. Yeah, I knew it. Or what?
Ah, why you kick yeah,
Yes.
Serious.
Oh, the wheel.
Yeah, guys, one thing, I am the strongest when it comes to that stuff. When it comes to a wheel. Yeah, guys, we're being advertised. Oh, wow, I thought it was only dogs that chased their tails.
But that tail's long. Ooh.
Damn. I can show you the world. Dang. She thick.
You got marshmallows? Why is it always the animal who gets hurt?
Sure. Superman. Did they seriously put soap on it? Wiggle.
Yeah, I think you gotta put soap.
Nah.
Oh, crap. Fortnite!
Yeah, guys, Here's this short version of Fortnite.
Yeah, to check how it looks like.
Yeah, this is what Playgrounds looks like. Yeah, guys, Playground sucks, man.
And it's free.
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
My cousin got me Fortnite and it didn't work. Poor cat, gonna be stuck in there forever.
It can show you that.
Oh, I thought I was Jake Paul for a sec.
Dang. No pushing.
Oh, he's gonna fall.
Just take some
Oh!
cushion.
Cinderella?
Wiggle. Oh, God.
Oh! No one left.
That would have been funny. Dang, bro. You okay?
Crap, I
Dang.
laughed. I laughed on the trampoline. That was so funny when he got his.
Oh, wow. You've got 2 more lives. Yeah, guys, we forgot to mention we have 3 lives. Kid, just hit it. Kick the baby.
We're doing a video.
Yeah, guys, this is
Vlad.
His hair is wet too.
Wait, guys, we'll be right back. Guys, it's only me right now. Only me. And it's only me. So, our friend Vlad showed us a funny video. It's called the Fortnite Dancing Champion.
Yeah.
So his channel is VladLee.com. No, Vlad Lee. No, Vlad Lee. I'll tell you guys on the comments, alright? And go subscribe to that channel. Leave a lot of likes.
Yeah, guys,
And-
leave a bunch of likes. It'll
Yeah.
keep you guys laughing.
Yeah, you guys will laugh a lot. Let's get back in the video.
Yeah. Before I left or stuff.
Okay, we're back. Shush.
Hey!
Oh, she fell down. Oh, a horse gonna be hard.
Dang. Dude, how you...
Now step down by a horse. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Oh,
Never tried
that could break your
these.
neck.
I can show you. I can
If you had shorts, that would hurt.
world.
A headshot. Oh, that was good. That was not good.
Did he break the window?
No.
Always trying to be faster.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Oh, poor dog.
The dog? There's a dog there?
Yeah.
Dang, dude, that guy. Damn!
I have one life. Wait, that came off. I have one life.
Yeah, but her leg broke.
Dude, he never laughed.
Oh, I think I've tried that experiment before. Mom's cooking, son. Damn, it hit the nuts. Damn, she thick.
Oh, guess what, guys? Just to be clear, he saw SS Sniper Wolf on Omegle yesterday,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's true. Last night, when everybody was asleep, I was on Omegle
You
looking for
saw
some friends.
SS Sniper Wolf?
Yeah, and I made her rage just by asking her if she was real. Yeah, and after that, she was like, "Oh, hey."
What?
Dude, don't break.
Oh, that's gonna hurt, right? Poor dog. Oh, poor dog. Poor dog.
So cute. Okay,
No!
third time's the charm. Hey, I won!
Dang! You
Hey.
won. So, guys, yeah, we'll see you there. Alright, guys, he's gonna tickle me. But I shouldn't have laughed a lot. Okay, go. Go. To be clear, I'm not ticklish. Not ticklish. Not ticklish. You want to try my foot? Not ticklish. So, guys, that round sucked. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, thank you guys for watching a lot. Subscribe, leave a like, and just to be clear, it's going to be in the comments, his video. And right here, subscribe to Dylan Uchiha. And like all on the video. And I hope you guys have a great day and night.
Subscribe to Dylan
I
Uchiha!
said that. And we'll see you later.
Goodbye, Uchiha. Goodbye, Uchiha Village. Peace out.
Peace.